How to put an image inside of text in Photoshop. Background layer. Text layer. Here I have used the word tree. For the fourth layer, we will select an image. Click the layer and then click Layer Clipping Mask. Make a new copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl-J. Now we will reduce the opacity of the fifth layer. Here we will use the Quick Selection tool. Now we will select as much part as we want to show outside the text. Now we will group the three layers. Then double-click this layer so that the blending option appears in front of us. Here you will beautify your image through different effects. In the description below, I have also given links to my other videos. You can go and watch them. And if you like my work, please subscribe.